Hey, are you the one who is aspiring to become a data analyst or a data scientist? Then this video is for you because I'll be discussing what is business intelligence tool, what are the most popular BI tools used in the market, and also let's understand what is Tableau, why it's used, and also let's learn what are the different things that we can do with a Tableau. Are you excited? Let's begin. We all live in a world of data. We see a lot of companies from a lot of domains. We see huge amount of data is generated. Like from health sector, we see people generating huge amount of data from our movie, sports, agriculture, retail industries, and also manufacturing and IT industries. Not just that, even finance companies are generating huge amount of data. If the amount of data generated was very less, then people have used statistical concepts in order to analyze the data. But since currently we are generating huge amount of data, we can't really go with our traditional method, that is the statistics. So for that, people developed a concept called as business intelligence tool. Because just looking into our data, we can't understand anything. Obviously, we have to analyze it. How do you analyze? Business intelligence is a process by which enterprises use strategies and technologies in order to analyze current and historical data with the objective of improving strategic decision making and providing a competitive advantage. Let's imagine that you are working in some company. In order to understand what exactly is happening in a business, obviously we need a business intelligence. After analyzing, you can make a better decisions in order to improve your business. So we have different BI tools in a market. The most popular ones are like a Power BI, Tableau, and Amazon QuickSight. That's a cloud service. So in that, the most popular one is a Tableau. Most of the companies, most of the people are using Tableau because of its easiness. Tableau is one of the great data visualization and business intelligence application that can be used to report and analyze massive amounts of data using various charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, and also stories to make our data driven decisions about the business. So, whenever you have data, what you can do with the help of a Tableau, you can analyze the data by creating a stunning graphs, you can create tables, and not just that, you can also create a story points, dashboards, so that stakeholders can understand business in a better way. You might have a question like why Tableau? Tableau basically enables users to build various charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, and also the stories. Tableau can handle large amount of data. It can also connect to various data sources such as MySQL, Amazon Redshift, Hadoop, and Google BigQuery, and many other. And one more thing, Tableau provides an intuitive drag and drop interface which can be used to create interactive and engaging visualization. Tableau is not that easy. It's all about, drag and drop. Only thing is you just need to understand when to use which plot. That basic understanding will make you, master in Tableau. So let's understand what different things we can do with the Tableau. The very first thing, we can create a stunning graphs or stunning charts using a Tableau. So we have different charts like pie chart, tree map, bar chart, column plot, bubble chart, line chart, area chart, histogram, scatter plot, and also you can create geographical maps. These are the different maps you can create using a Tableau. And not just that, there is one unique and interesting feature in our Tableau, that is a story point. When you do any analysis, let's say if you are building a 30 charts, you can build a story so that stakeholders can understand things in a better way. That's an interesting thing that you see in a Tableau. You can create a story point, you can build a story so that people understand things in a better way and they can make a better decision in order to improve the business. And one more important thing about a Tableau is you can create a stunning dashboard or a report, which basically helps people in understanding what exactly is happening in a business. So when I say dashboard, you can put all your analysis in one place so that people can interact with the dashboard and they can understand what exactly is happening. And based on that, they can make a better decision in order to improve their business. So this is all about, the Tableau. Mastering Tableau or mastering any business intelligence tool is very important since we all live in a world of data. Without analysis, it's really hard to understand what exactly is happening in a business. Whether you are a data analyst or data scientist or whatsoever maybe, if you are using our data, then a knowledge of BI tool is very important. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning. And not just that, I'll be presenting a complete playlist on a Tableau where I'll be explaining all the charts, how to create a story point, how to create a dashboard, and also I'll be explaining when to use which chart. I hope this video and this playlist will help you in understanding, help you in mastering the complete Tableau. Thank you. Happy learning.